Let's make one of my family's favorites, Impossible Cheeseburger Pie. As always, I'll have your ingredients listed below. We'll start by making the batter. You'll need a half a cup of Bisquick, 1 cup of milk, and 2 eggs. Whisk all of that together really well. Next, we'll chop 1 onion. Add 1 pound of ground beef to a hot skillet. Add your chopped onion. Then, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Let that cook until it's done. Into your pie plate, you're going to add your cooked meat mixture. Now we're going to sprinkle our shredded cheese on top. Now we'll pour the batter on top. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and bake for 25 minutes. This is one of my family's favorites. Enjoy!